Right, so we have this guy here. This is ASUS. This one has been to another workshop. Apparently while they were using, screen went black, and the smaller screen was working fine. External screen works fine. They took to a computer shop, they removed the LCD bezel, and they tried another screen or get some model information, I'm not sure, to order a new screen. And after that, the unit does not now turn on. So now we got a dead machine. They want to know if it's fixable, what's the quotation. So there is no quotation fee on this one, so we won't be doing a full deep inspection. We'll just do basic general checks, see if we can determine potential issue. Connect the charger. First, do we get any charge indicator? Yeah, we do. So, what's actually booting? Is it? To me, that looks like a hard drive working condition. So, are we going to have an external display, HDMI? HDMI connected. Unless that indicator is not correct, it's for something else. Okay, I think that's going to be the battery then. Power button. Now there's nothing happening with the power button. Okay, let's just do a quick checkup at the back, see if it's something we can help them with. I asked them if they had disconnected the battery before attempting to check the screen connections. They said no. They were asking for trouble. Why is there a different type of screw here? What the hell? Okay, let's do a quick measurement check. So our cable resistance about 1.4. If that's the screen power, that is a bit low. Okay, we'll leave that at that. That could be the RAM. Could be 5 volts or something like that. Yeah. 0.2 ohms, so that's fine. Whatever is there, CPU, GPU, extremely high power, very, very powerful. 1.4. Yeah, we're not going to assume any fault there yet. Alright, I'll give them the options because this one will require a deep inspection. See what they want to do and we'll go from there. I'll be back.